I talked to a mechanic who's been working on F-150s for 26 years. He's seen thousands of engines, every generation, and he told me something impressive. There are 4 specific F-150 years where I see engines hitting 400,000 miles regularly. No rebuild, just basic maintenance. These engines are practically bulletproof. Today, you'll find out which ones. If you own one, you hit the jackpot. 26 years working on F-150s, thousands of engines. He knows exactly which last and which hit 400,000 miles. I've been studying Fords for years. I talk with the best mechanics, and these 4 years, they always come up as the most durable. Subscribe because this will change how you see engine durability. First year, 2011 to 2014 with 5.0 Coyote. The mechanic was direct. 11 to 14 Coyote, I see these hitting 400,000, 450,000 miles regularly. Engine just doesn't stop. I researched this extensively, talked with specialized Ford technicians. The first generation Coyote, legendary. Extremely durable dual overhead cam timing chain, strong but lightweight aluminum block. Variable valve timing without the problems from earlier generations. Owners report to me 300,000 miles without major problems. 400,000? Original engine still strong, just regular maintenance. The Coyote proved practically indestructible. If you have 11 to 14 Coyote, you have one of the most reliable engines Ford ever made. Take care of it, it'll outlast the rest of the truck. Second year, 1997 to 2003 with 4.6-liter Triton. The mechanic explained, 97 to 2003 4.6, legendary. I've seen these with 500,000 miles. Original engine, running perfectly. I studied this engine extensively, talked with mechanics who work specifically on OBS and early 2000s era. Universal consensus, the 4.6 Triton is practically bulletproof. Why? Extremely simple design, internal timing chain that lasts forever, iron block that takes abuse. Ford got absolutely everything right this generation. Mechanics tell me, this engine is boring to work on because it never breaks. I only see them for basic maintenance. Want an F-150 engine that'll outlast you? 97 to 2003 4.6. It's legendary for a reason. Third year? 2018 to 2020 with 5.0 Coyote second generation. The mechanic told me, Coyote Gen 2? Ford took an already excellent engine and improved every detail. Still early for 400,000 miles, but I see them with 200,000 running like new. They'll hit 400 easy. I talked with Ford technicians, studied the engineering bulletins. The second generation Coyote has critical improvements. Dual port plus direct injection system, reinforced pistons, optimized heads, stronger internals. Ford listened to first generation owner feedback, took an already reliable engine, improved durability even more. Result? Practically perfect engine. Want modern F-150 with proven bulletproof engine? 18 to 20 Coyote Gen 2. It'll serve you 400,000 miles easy. Fourth year? 2015 to 2017 with 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. The mechanics surprised me. 3.5 EcoBoost? Everyone feared the turbos, but these? I see them hitting 350,000, 400,000 miles. Original turbos, strong engine. Ford got this design right. I researched with mechanics specialized in EcoBoost. They confirm the 3.5 from this era is robust, turbos more durable than expected, adequate cooling system, well-tested design before launch. Owners who tow heavy daily tell me 250,000, 300,000 miles, zero major engine problems, zero turbo problems, just scheduled maintenance. Want turbo power with proven durability? 15 to 17 3.5. It's bulletproof modern. Those are the 4 years. 2011 to 14 Coyote, 1997 to 2003 4.6, 2018 to 2020 Coyote Gen 2, and 2015 to 17 3.5 EcoBoost V6. 26 years of experience confirms these engines are practically bulletproof. 400,000 miles? Common. 500,000? Possible. If you have one, you have a legendary engine. Take care of it, it'll last. What year do you have? How many miles? Comment. Like if this made you appreciate your F-150 more. Next video, hidden features that make owners keep their F-150s forever. See you then.